Surviving in the wild isn't just about skills, it's about having the right gear. These 18 camping gadgets are the difference between roughing it and thriving outdoors. From newbies to seasoned explorers, these tools solve real problems you face in the wilderness. Let's dive into the gear that'll make you a true outdoor pro. The Dragon Ridge knife is a masterpiece of design and practicality. This titanium handle knife features a high-performance blade for precise cutting. With 3 opening methods, flipper, thumb hole, and button lock, it's easy and safe to use. The deep carry clip and lanyard hole make it perfect for everyday carry. Lightweight and strong, it's ideal for outdoor cooking, cutting tasks, and more. The Lancer 300 is the ultimate backpack for adventurers and photographers. Its tough, lightweight design makes carrying gear easy, and it's packed with features like a waterproof power station, a 360-degree rotating tripod, and a 1.5-meter extendable selfie stick. With a massive 30 liters capacity and special compartments for cameras and drones, you'll never miss capturing a moment. Plus, its solar panel ensures your devices stay charged. Perfect for hiking, biking, and exploring. Brighten up your adventures with the OutTask Telescopic Camping Light. Its unique collapsible design makes it easy to carry and store. The 720-degree rotating head ensures you can light up any area, and its durable, waterproof build means it can handle any weather. With magnetic tripods for quick setup and 3 lighting modes, it's perfect for camping, fishing, or emergencies. Lightweight yet sturdy, this versatile light is a must-have for outdoor fun. The WEN Tactical Knife is your all-in-one outdoor tool. This rugged knife is perfect for hunting, camping, and hiking, with a tough stainless steel blade, a sharp tanto point, and a gut hook for easy field processing. It comes with a durable MOLLE sheath for safe carrying. Whether you're a scout, a camper, or a hunter, this knife is built to handle it all. Lightweight, strong, and versatile, it's your new go-to for any outdoor adventure. Dive into fun with the Zio electric swimming kickboard. This smart water toy has 3 speeds, zooming up to 1.5 meters per second, making swim training exciting. It's designed with safety in mind, floating on its own and protecting little fingers. The powerful battery offers up to 60 minutes of play, and it's perfect for all ages, even in emergencies. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry anywhere, even on a plane. Power your adventures with the EcoShiner Solar Folding Table. This lightweight portable table has built-in solar panels to charge your devices outdoors. It's perfect for camping, hiking, and beach trips, providing 2 USB ports for easy charging. The durable, waterproof design ensures it stands up to the elements. Fold it up small for easy carrying and take it anywhere. Enjoy the convenience of solar power on the go with this innovative camping table. Light your way with the Flextail Gear Portable Evo Lantern. This clever lantern features a telescopic pole and a magnetic base, offering multiple ways to use it. As a high tripod light, a table light, or a flashlight. Its 720-degree rotating head gives you perfect lighting from any angle. With a powerful 12,000 mAh battery, it also charges your devices on the go. Whether you are camping, hiking, or in an emergency, this lantern is your reliable light source. Enjoy privacy and comfort with the Alltop Vehicle Awning Shower Room. This portable shower room attaches to your car rack, offering a private space with UV protection and waterproof walls. It's easy to set up and pack away in minutes, making it perfect for camping and road trips. The included LED light strip adds convenience, and the rugged design ensures it lasts. Upgrade your outdoor experience with this must-have shower room. Equip yourself with the SOG Survival Knife, a must-have for any adventurer. This full-tang knife is perfect for camping, hunting, and fishing, with a sharp stainless steel blade and a non-slip handle. It comes with a versatile sheath that lets you cut cord or line without exposing the blade. Lightweight and durable, it's designed for tough outdoor tasks. The Gerber TR Tip Knife features a cleaver blade for both cutting and scraping. The multi-mount sheath offers 2 carrying options for convenience. Great for camping and backyard BBQs, this knife is versatile and easy to use. It's a handy tool for any adventure. Make every cut count with this innovative utility knife. Stay connected anywhere with the Zio Satellite Communicator. This device works with your smartphone to send messages from anywhere on Earth. It uses satellites when there's no cell coverage, ensuring you're never out of touch. With features like SOS alerts, location sharing, and weather updates, it's perfect for adventurers and emergencies. It offers peace of mind whether you're hiking or off the grid. Cook like a pro with the Sylvan Sport Outdoor Camp Kitchen. This full kitchen setup includes 2 bamboo countertops and a collapsible sink for easy meal prep and cleanup. Its weather-resistant frame is lightweight yet strong, folding up compactly for travel. With adjustable storage cubbies, you can organize all your cooking gear. Relax in style with the Dometic Go Compact Camp Bench. This lightweight yet sturdy bench seats 2 adults and supports up to 300 pounds. It's built to last in the great outdoors. It folds down small for easy carrying and comes with a protective sack. Perfect for camping, picnics, or backyard lounging. Organize your fishing trips with the Cast King Carryall Backpack. Made from tough, water-resistant fabric, this backpack has 14 pockets for all your gear. It features a large adjustable compartment for tackle boxes and a cushioned back for comfort. With rod holders and reflective stripes, it's perfect for day or night fishing. Durable and spacious, it's also great for hiking, camping, and travel. Sleep soundly on the CEDAN Summit Insulated Sleeping Pad. This extra-thick, lightweight pad offers a cozy 4-inch cushion, perfect for camping and backpacking. Its single-layer design mimics a spring mattress, making it ideal for side sleepers. With quick inflation and deflation, it's hassle-free to use. The high loft insulation keeps you warm, while the durable fabric ensures it lasts. Compact and easy to carry, this sleeping pad makes outdoor sleep comfortable and restful. Gear up with CQR Men's Tactical Pants. Made for law enforcement, military, and outdoor activities, these pants are tough and comfortable. The ripstop fabric resists water and stains, while the elastic waistband ensures a snug fit. Multiple cargo pockets let you carry all your tools and gear hands-free. Perfect for hiking, camping, or everyday wear. Stay hydrated with the CEDAN Hiker Pro water filter. This easy-to-use water filter removes 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa, making any water safe to drink. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. With a fast flow rate and easy cleaning, U.S. retailers named it the easiest to use. Whether you're backpacking or preparing for the unexpected, this water filter ensures you have clean water anytime, anywhere. Carry water easily with the MSR Drumlight Bag water reservoir. This high-capacity water bag collapses small for easy packing, but expands to hold plenty of water. Made with tough materials, it can handle freezing conditions and rough use. Its BPA-free lining ensures your water tastes fresh. Perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. Whether you need to hydrate or store water, this reservoir is a reliable choice for any adventure. Wow, what an adventure these gadgets promise. But hey, this is just the start of your journey with outdoor artistry. Want more tips, tricks, and cool gear reviews for your next wilderness escape? Hit that subscribe button now. Join our tribe of nature lovers and become the camping pro you've always wanted to be.